This weekend is in a 40th birthday celebration at Port Jobston, of which is in Golweni. It's where we're going. So it's a big party, guys. Into elindele kuthina as a production company ezokwenza service on that 40th birthday celebration Tontun. We're going to do a sound system on that party. And even the sound system yakhona, it's not just a basic sound. We're putting a big sound lapha because of the capacity abantu with the setup esegcekeni, it's huge. Amamakhi eyadini because it's a big party, remember. We're doing sound, DJing. I'll be a DJ as DJ Msoco, Mr. Classic. I'll be there as a DJ of the day and other DJs that will be there. Right. Besides sound, we also do LED screens kule party le. LED screens we're gonna put 75 inch. It's very big. Those LED screens 75 inch with trussing stands, 2-meter trussing stand. So even now you're watching this video, production, just a quick one. You can learn something as a kulisa now in your production company. So we're gonna put 75 inch i2 in terms of LED screens, and then we're gonna fly drone lapa. Also we're gonna have 2 videographers on site, video camera 1 and camera 2. We also have a photographer on site. So it's such a big party and it's such a big setup. In a way, the event is on Saturday, but we have to move here, see a corner on Friday in terms of setting sound, screens, or what I didn't mention, lighting. We also do lighting. So in terms of lighting, since it's a birthday party, I need something like flashy. So I decided to ngifake ama-packens. I'll 6. I'll pack 3 per side. Pack on the left hand side 3, on the right hand side 3, and then on a 2-meter trussel. Those lighting, flash lighting, ngizoyifaka in between DJ booth. DJ booth, and then masukuba on front kube khona a 40-inch screen for DJ monitor, DJ booth monitor. On the left hand side, ngifake 2-meter trussel, and then ngipheke ama-packens ayi-3, and on the right hand side as well ngifake 2-meter trussel, and then bese ngipheka ama-packens ayi-3, so it's gonna be 6 ama-packens. So in terms of lapha kuma-screens ke bafethu, what you gonna do, because wanna put as a production, siyenze lento ibe glamorous, right? This setup we normally do this setup masenza a live streaming. It's the same setup le ngizoyisebenzisa lapha in order to uthi ngithumele isignal kuma 75 inch screens. As ngiconnecte kanje, uzofunda ucoshe nje umuntu oka production uma ungazi uyibone le setup eso, nongakazi uyenze le setup eso, just uthi sikhulisane as abantu bakitha bodaki sisidodisane kulezinto za production in order to deliver an excellent job for our client wethu. La I got Black Magic. This is a Black Magic i10 Mini Pro ekwazi ukufaka ama-camera awu-4. Njengamanje as I'm speaking ngiconnecte ama-camera ayi-2. There's this one camera here. There's another camera here in front of me, yona le ephinde ngiveze lapha, this one. And then I got this laptop. Le laptop ngivula OBS kuyona. Why ngivula OBS on this laptop? Ama-camera awu-2 ngiwafakela kwi-Black Magic bafethu. So as ngiwafakela kwi-Black Magic lama camera awu-2, ngiphuma ngo type C, ngizongena la ku-USB hub. USB hub ithumela isignal la kwilontuzana kwi-OBS. Why OBS? Ngoba ngizophuma nge-HDMI from the OBS la kwi-laptop le. So phuma nge-HDMI. Siya kuphi? Siya kula ama-screens amakhulu ama-75 inch lawe sobe siwafakile ukudisplaya for i-audience yethu. Right. Bese kuthi i-Black Magic le iyona le edisplaye la, uze kusokwazi ukuthi lo mixayo la kwi-visual mix akwazi ukubona i-shot before ayifake kwi-crowd. So ngale nkathi mixer la i-shot yakhe ivela la, which camera that I can use this one. Now let me go like this. Right. Uyabo le screen sewi camera esukisa kwi-crowd le kula ma 75 inch this display. and then le camera leveza this blinder ithathe njenge camera wena ozobheka kuyona ishot before uyifake lapha uze ucamera uvideographer wakho mengakunikeza into right umcorrecte nobabili before nifike kwi-crowd, right? So le monitor le ixhunywe from HDMI to item mini pro for wena ozobumixa ama-cameras, right? Bese uzibuza ukuthi le laptop yona ke on that day ngizobe ngiyisebenziselana. This laptop ngizobe ngi-DJ ngisebenzisa i-DJ controller using this laptop. In between, I'll be not playing the normal audio tracks. I'll be playing a music video. Why a music video? Just to bring the entertainment kwi-event. Kumbula umnikazi wephathi uyayithanda iphathi yakhe. And the part is big. And umnikazi wephathi ukhokhile. So as a production, fanele siye extra mind. Ukuthi yini enye esingayenza to entertain. Yini enye esingayenza akuyona yonke into efanele ukuthi uyenze ngoba nakho ikhokheliwe to grow your business. Ezinye izinto obona ukuthi no, if I'm doing this I got nothing to lose. Just implement it. Njengamanje this laptop engisuke ngidj ngayo I got plenty music videos. Right. For example, angikwenzele example kanje. Let's say kune guest speaker ezosukuma. Uma isukuma let's use a certain song, it's an Afro pop song. For that guest speaker uyasukuma uya kwi crowd khumbula lapha kuno camera 1 maybe ovelile then I'll just punch playing music video njoba idlala la this music video uyasukuma walking up to a stage uyokhuluma kudlala i-music video idlala kwi sound ku displaya i-video kuma screens because uyaphambili it's this laptop that do that display. The same laptop engisebenzisayo le mangisuke ngi-DJ, there's a visual DJ. Le music video le idlala kwi-visual DJ, right? Bahle sibengibuza why msoco DJ nge-laptop abazi ukuthi ngenza into eziningi ngesikhathi esi1. That's why I don't like ama CD player. I used to have ama 350 and stuff. I do ngikhipe lapha aside mangisuke ngenza i-production kanje ngisebenzisa i-visual DJ. Let's say ke usephambili ke and then lo osuke eyokhuluma then that camera is going to jump. So we can speak phambili. Siphumile music video isingamumva lapha i-crowd isibuka i-camera sibona lo muntu lo okhuluma lapha. Alright ke lapha kuma VIP tent mhlambe ucamera 2 uselapha uveza le crowd elapha ngo camera 2 because ucamera 2 kumbula simfaka i-cable simfaka a HDMI transmitter. HDMI transmitter guys i-HDMI cable but a wireless. Ikusiza phi ke lo HDMI? Ikusiza ekuthenini wena iba flexible no camera 2 wakho. Mawuthi fanele shy crowd esemnyango uyakwazi ukuhamba flexible like i-cable ayidonsayo. That's why it's very important ukuthi usebenzise HDMI transmitter for camera 2. You can put HDMI transmitter na camera 1 as well if you do have 2. But if you have 1, you can tell to camera 1 wakho umfake kuphi? Umfake kwi-cable. And then camera 2 wakho umfaka kwi-transmit. Right, uselapha ngaphandle ucamera 2 wethu sesimfaka uvezani uveza i-crowd ele ngaphandle kwe-stretch tent with these devices. I know these devices are expensive but namo ukhula nge-production you can manage to afford it. Bafowethu ngithenga nginivezele kumsector production as best prepare is very important ukuthi i-device ungagcini ngegig egcine ngayo. Each and every gig oyakuyona test your stuff. Uzungafiki lapho uyigcina into isebenza. This is electronic devices yonke lento singayiqoqa manje isebenza kule gig kade sikuyona uthi uyafika kwi-gig elandelayo lento yakhe ayisasebenzi siyakudisappoint. So it's very important ukuthi upakishe izinto one show nawe ukuthi zisebenza ngendlela ekuyiyona yona. Right, njengamanje I'm gonna jump to kwi-screen esikhulu ukuthi ngizokumixela i-screen esikhulu sibone kule video ukuthi le laptop yini efidayo njoba ila ifida through OBS ifida ku-75 inch just to show i-75 inch ukuthi izomixa kanjani. Ukhona ofundayo la kulento because I'm doing this video just ukuthi ngifundise omunye umuntu osafika kwi-production oyibuka lento engazi ukuthi glamorous. Yes, it's complicated but it's doable. Uba yenze kuphela nathi ngaba sikwazi ukuyenza. So now you can do it for yourself. Imsocoro production if udinga sikwenzele live streaming, if udinga sikwenzele video production, udinga photography, udinga stage, udinga lighting, usendaweni right uma uthinta imsocoro production usafe. Ungasibamba ku 072 595 9977 noma 082 5352 400. I-email yethu umsoturukas1@gmail.com. Thank you. Angithemba ukuthi khona ufundile kule nto. Thank you.